Uh, Today we are going to look at environmental science on the topic of forest ecosystem. So I'm going to introduce to you what is forest ecosystem, the types of forest ecosystem, characteristics, features of forest ecosystem, then structure of forest ecosystem, lastly on functions of forest ecosystem. So let's start with what is forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem is a natural woodland area that provides suitable place for the survival of biotic and abiotic components. Forest ecosystem consists of plants, animals, and microorganisms. This explains that in forest ecosystem you can find plants, animals, and microorganisms. So forest ecosystem also plays an essential role in environment by providing oxygen, preventing soil erosion, and maintaining carbon dioxide. So on types of forest ecosystem, we have three types. First, we have tropical then forest ecosystem. Secondary, temperate forest ecosystem. Lastly, boreal forest ecosystem. So on tropical then forest ecosystem, it is mainly found at the equator in places like Africa, South America, Amazon region, and southeast of Asia. There is rainfall throughout the year, and the temperature remains stable at 27 degrees Celsius. This means that in tropical rainforest ecosystem, the rain there's rainfall throughout the year, and the temperature remains stable, which means the temperature does not increase or decrease. And trees in tropical rainforest ecosystem, they are very different and block because of the light that penetrates. We have also subcategories of forest and the tropical forest. There are four of them. We have evergreen forest, seasonal forest, dry forest, and subtropical forest. Second part of type of forest ecosystem, we have temperate. Temperate is found in Northern America, northern east of Asia, and Europe. In temperate forest ecosystem, we have four seasons, mainly spring, summer, winter, and autumn. The temperature ranges from negative 30 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and rainfall ranges from 75 to 150 centimeters. There is leaf shedding. Trees from large proportion of the trees, for example, pews, marbles, and beeches. The soil is fertile due to the decomposing of foreign leaves, which means when the leaves has fallen, they get decomposed, which makes the soil to be fertile. Last part of type of forest ecosystem is boreal forest ecosystem, which says that it is found between 50 to 60 degrees of latitude in South Atlantic zone. It has two seasons, mainly short, moist, and mid warm summer and long cold and dry winter. The temperature ranges from negative 40 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. And animals that lives in this forest are bear, bats, wolves, lion, and birds. The soil has thin line and is poor in nutrients. On characteristic features of forest ecosystem, the soil is rich in organic matter and nutrients, which means that when the when the leaves, for example, when the leaves get decomposed, the soil gets rich in organic matter and nutrients. Secondary characteristic is that there is sufficient rainfall and there is warm temperature. Thirdly, it provides shelter for the birds species. Fourthly, it is evergreen in nature, which means that in forest there is green in nature, evergreen in nature. Lastly, characteristic of forest ecosystem is that there is attraction insects and provide habitats. The structure of forest ecosystem. Uh, this is the structure of forest ecosystem. So we have producers, consumers, and decomposers. So producers, they make their own food through the process of photosynthesis, and the consumers, they cannot prepare their own food by their own, but they depend on producers. Lastly, decomposers, it is the breaking down of dead plants and animals, returning the nutrients to the soil so that they can be used by the producers. Last part of forest ecosystem is function of forest ecosystem, which says that goods obtained from forest. So forest provide different types of food such as wood, meat, fruits, mushroom, palm oil, and wine. Second function is forest provide timber, wood biomass, and fuel which extracts from old trees that are buried under soil. Ecosystem. First ecosystem. The last part of function of first ecosystem is ecological function, which says that forests plays an important role to maintain ecological factor such as climate, carbon storage, rainfall, and nutrients cycle. So thank you. We thank you for being there.